Hello guys, welcome to day 3 of my Cook With Me Thanksgiving dinner. Tonight I'm making homemade dressing, and I'm going to share with you the ingredients that I'm using. In this pan here, I have some wheated toast that I made in the oven and some corned bread made with, let's see, can you see that, guys? Yeah. And some corned bread made with this is a white corned meal, self-rising, and so this is what I use. Now, some people just make theirs with just bread. Some people make theirs with just corned bread. Before I got married to my husband, I used to make it with just corned bread. But the reason why I am using two different textures here, which is the wheated toast, is because my husband is diabetic. So now when I cook for the family, I have to be careful of the ingredients I use. I also have homemade chicken stock. Homemade chicken stock. See if we can get a close-up of that. I broiled some chicken earlier, so I got some homemade chicken stock. I have my ingredients and seasonings. I am using garlic Romano seasoning, and minced garlic, garlic Romano seasoning, minced garlic, and I am also using rubbed sage. Now, with using this rubbed sage, you have to actually use a little bit more, because by it not being as coarse as regular sage, the flavor is very light in the dressing. Here I have my chopped up veggies. I have yellow, red, orange, and green bell peppers, along with celery. So, hold on. Cut this part off. Boy, that chicken stock smells really good. All right, so what I do is I'm crumbling up the toast. It doesn't have to be in tiny pieces, because once you add the stock to it, it's going to break it down some more. So, and I would like to make a correction. Yesterday in the video, I said that you could get the Butterball turkey for 49 cents a pound at Meijer's. It's actually the Meijer's turkey that is 49 cents a pound. So I apologize, guys. Okay, guys, I have everything in this pot. Makes it easier for mixing. I have the corned bread, and I also have the wheated toast. Now, some people, they don't toast their bread. They'll just add the ingredients and everything to make the dressing, which is fine. Some people use stale bread crumbs, bread pieces. You can buy those at the store. So, I mean, dressing is dressing. You can make any dressing taste good, made out of any type of base, which is a bread. Another reason why I use the corned bread is because wheated bread is bitter. So this adding the corned bread to it actually helps to balance out the flavor. Now, I was going to use all of these vegetables in here, but I'm not going to do it because it'll be too many. So I'm going to use a little bit here and a little bit more. I'm adding that to it. There we go. Normally I make 3 times the amount of dressing, but this time I really didn't feel like going through all that stuff. So here we go. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, guys? All right, so I'm going to add some garlic. Now a little more for good measures. I am going to add some garlic Romano seasoning. Oh, guys, I wish you could smell these fresh veggies. Some of this, I'm going to add some of this Trade East rubbed sage. Now, I like to get mine in the big container like this because I never know how much I'm going to need. And I hate running out of ingredients, seasonings, and everything. Now, I don't do any measuring. How I can tell when there is enough sage in the dressing is being able to smell the sage in the dressing. Because, I mean, if you don't have enough sage in the dressing, it just tastes like corned bread with onions and bell peppers and stuff in there. But if you have too much in there, it makes it bitter. So I poured half a pan, half a pot and you have to really get in here and break everything up because you want it to be smooth. We're going to pour some more in. I'm just going to pour the rest of it in. Ooh, seasoning. Now you can also buy chicken stock. You can use chicken stock from the store, or you can use turkey stock. I used to use those years ago, but now I just make my own stock. There is no particular ratio as far as how much stock you use. It depends on what texture you're going for with the dressing. Okay, guys, This is what it looks like in the pan, and now it is ready for the oven. I will put it in on 325 with some foil on top and let it slow cook until some of the juice evaporate. I don't like my dressing to come out dry, so I add extra broth. The only time I don't add extra broth is when I add chicken to it, because the fats from the chicken keeps the dressing moist. So thank you for tuning in to day 3. And tomorrow is the last day of the Cook With Me, and I have a special treat for you guys. But anyway, when it comes to dressing, you can do it any way you want. As long as you have the right seasonings and everything, it's going to turn out fine. At one time, I was using stovetop dressing, and then I wanted to start making it from scratch. And so my mom's, she taught me how to make dressing. But anyway, guys, this is the end of this video for now. Tune in tomorrow for day 4, which is the last day of the Cook With Me Thanksgiving special. Okay, bye for now.